Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make YouTube Shorts. I'm going to show you how the process works from the editing straight to uploading over to YouTube. It's very simple to create any YouTube Shorts. All you need to do is make sure that the video is in portrait mode and you need to make sure that the video is less than 1 minute long. From here you can see I have my video, however as you can see it's in landscape mode. In order for me to fix this, all I'm going to do is come up here to sequence, click on sequence settings and set it to portrait mode. When I click on OK, it'll say that I'm going to change the preview. That's fine. And now you can see it's in portrait mode. I'll add some cuts and anything else I need. And once I'm done, all I need to do is export the video. Make sure to match the source so it exports in portrait mode. And then from here, I'll export it. From here, I need to just click on upload a video. Then I need to select files and I'll select my video. And now you'll see as the video is uploading, you have a little icon here that shows that it's going to become a YouTube short. And going into the video details, you can see it's a youtube.com/shorts, meaning that it's been added to the shorts. And when I go to view it, I view it in shorts format. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.